Good morning, students. Welcome back, class. Good afternoon to all those who are watching me in the afternoon, and good evening to all those who are watching me in the evening. Now, first of all, children, a very big thank you to all those who have emailed their homework to me, whether it was the project with the seasons and the paragraph on seasons, okay, the project on seasons with the paragraph also written with collage made. Also a big thank you to all those who have written to me the informal letter and mailed me the informal letter homework, also the previous unit test 1 homework. To all those, good job, well done. Now all those who did not email me any of these 3 homework, better buck up, because you will not be marked otherwise for notebook, because notebook practically we are not able to do it, isn't it? So what are we doing? Whatever homework we are asking you to email, on those basis we are going to mark you. Now children, this is another chance you are getting to do well. Yes, your half yearly examination, which is going to be of 80 marks, okay, is going to begin in a short while. You will have MCQ questions. You will also have 1 or 2 word questions in it, okay. Whatever we have covered in the form of revisions which are going to be done once the syllabus gets over, in the form of question answers, in the form of practice exercises, in the form of discussions in the live classes, our AV video clipping, our audiovisual clippings, everything is going to be based on that. Nothing is going to be out of syllabus, children. Please don't worry, nothing is going to be out of syllabus. Only thing, you should go through whatever has been covered till date, all right. And you must have seen that in literature, like tomorrow in the live class we are going to do the last chapter which is related to literature, and it's going to be a short poem. What is it? It's trees. It's a short poem. So we are going to do the chapter based on that in the live class tomorrow. Today we are taking up the last chapter related to grammar, okay, which is verbs. And I'm sure everybody knows what is verb, isn't it? But still, let us recapitulate, as I have been again and again telling you that whatever topics we are having in grammar are all associated with the previous classes. We have already covered those topics in the previous classes, but then what is going to happen is our difficulty level is going to gradually move ahead. If we have the same topics in different classes, you will see that the difficulty level gradually moves up. So let us begin with today's chapter and see, once again we've had monsoons back. Previously we've had some dry days, isn't it? Very less monsoon, little bit of drizzle was there, but then since yesterday it has been raining cats and dogs, raining like anything. Now children, you will also, one more thing, there are some of you who are emailing me the homework related to whether grammar or whether literature, of which the answer keys have been provided. Please do not do so, children. Please do not do so, in the sense that answer keys have been already provided to you. So you will not mail me. That's like a repetition of a work which has been already done by me. So what you will do is, you will please note that we are going to do the homework which will only relate to things which you have to do on your own, okay, on your own, not related to things which have been already discussed by Gargi ma'am, okay. Now let us begin the chapter. Okay, let me write down the date. Today is, imagine, September 1st. Okay, today is the 1st of September. It's a Tuesday. Tomorrow we have a live class. Yes, we have a live class tomorrow. Today is an audiovisual class, and the name of the chapter is verbs. Okay. Please, I hope everybody is able to see my board. I hope the light is not shining on it. Now, what is a verb? I am standing and talking to you. So, what am I doing? I am standing as well as talking. So, this is known as an action word or a doing word. So, what is a verb? A verb is that which tells us about what is happening and what is being done by a person. Okay, so any action which is taking place or which is taking place is known as a verb. Now, before that, children, I would also like to show you, this is our book as usual, Tune Into Grammar 4, and this is our chapter. All right, this is our chapter. Fine. And it's a short chapter, it's a repetition, it's an easy chapter. Now, so let me write down what I just now did. Gargi is writing on the board. What is Gargi doing? She is writing on the board. So, what action is she doing? Writing. And how is she writing? She is standing and writing on the board. So, what is the action? What is taking place? Writing as well as standing. All right. Now, Gargi is bending to write on the board. So, what is Gargi doing? She is bending. Can you see I am bending? That is called an action as well. So, she is bending to write on the board. So, what is a verb? A verb is that which shows or which tells us about an action. Write is also an action. All right. Now, these are known as main verbs. Okay, the main action what is taking place, that is known as main verbs. Okay, now is Gargi is writing on the board. Okay, can you see these is these are all helping verbs. Okay, these are all helping verbs. Is, am, are, these are all helping verbs. So now helping verbs, these are is, I am standing. So am is also a helping word. Okay, I had gone to the market yesterday. So what is had? Had is talking is also a helping word, but it is talking about an event which had happened in the past. So is, am, are talks about the present, what is happening now. Those helping verbs which is talking about what is happening now. Okay, had, okay, was, were, all this is talking about things which had happened in the past. So these helping verbs, children, they tell us, okay, they help the main verb. What do? They help the main verb. For example, let me write an example. I do remember meeting you last year. Now, what is the main verb here? Remember, meeting, okay? And what is the helping verb? Do. What is the helping verb here? Do. So, I do remember meeting you last year, all right? Now, another. Let me take up another. I did not meet all the new students. All right, I hope you are able to see, children. I hope you are able to see. I did not meet all the new students. So I did. Okay. So this is again another helping verb. It is helping the main verb. Meet. It is helping the main verb. Now let me give you another example. Okay. Let me erase the board. Erase the board. She does not remember. She does not remember the past. Okay, she does not remember the past. So does is another helping word. So I taught you about do, did, and does. Okay, so these words are used for action which has happened in the past. Okay, do and did, do and does is present, which has happened in the present, and did, I did not remember yesterday's work. So that is something which talks about an event which happens in the past. Do and does talks about events which has happened in the present. All right, and does is talking about an event which has happened in the past. Now let me give you a few more examples. Okay, I am standing. All right, I am standing. I am writing with a black pen. I am writing with a black pen. So, have you seen am? Okay, yes. What is am doing? Am is talking about an action which is happening now. Okay. I was sleeping in the afternoon. So was, okay, I was sleeping in the afternoon. So was is talking about an action which has happened in the past. Okay. Now similarly, since my board is tiny, let me erase again. Similarly, they were out of station. They are absent. So were is talking about, were is an helping verb. Yes, out is of course a main verb. So what is the helping verb doing? Were is telling us about an action again which had occurred in the past, and they are absent. Are is talking about an action which has happened now in the present. So we know what are helping verbs, we know what is a main verb. Okay, thinking, sitting, standing, boxing, playing, okay, kicking, smiling, crying, all these are called main verbs. They're all action words. They're all doing words. And is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, these are all verbs, but they are known as helping verb because they are being added to a main verb. Okay, they are being added to a main verb. So that is for today, right? We are almost done with the chapter. Fine. So another thing, children, I would like to say again, the answer keys of these chapters are going to be emailed to you. Okay, emailed in the sense in the form of a PDF. Sorry, it will be uploaded in your online portal. You can download. Please do not mail me the answers which have been already discussed. Now, I will show you the book Okay, this is the chapter. It is a very short chapter. It has many exercises. You're going to do, okay, first go through the chapter along. Whenever I'm explaining to you in the form of an audiovisual clip, keep your book with you so that you can relate. All right, so you will do learn exercise. Okay, learn exercise. This is to be done in your textbook. This is called a textbook. Practice exercise A. This is what you're going to do it in your textbook as well. Okay, it is in the form of an MCQ. Now, exercise number B, again, practice exercise to be done in the book. Again, exercise number C, also to be done in the textbook. Okay, as of now, in this chapter, nothing is to be done in the notebook. Nothing. You are going to do everything in the book, okay, in your textbook. And answer keys are going to be provided. Now, since grammar is over, children, we are going to do recapitulation of the chapter, and then I am going to send you revision exercises, okay, because we have quite a number of days still before we begin. From the 28th of September, we begin with our major papers, and our minor begins from the 21st. So we have quite some time, and we can do many revisions in the live class as well as during my audiovisual clipping. Now comes another part, children. You are going to, practice reading the textbook, that is my best book or whatever PDF I have sent you with the literature lessons. You must read in between. From the chapter also, I will ask you 1 or 2 questions. Okay, so you must be ready for that. As I said, your questions will be MCQ based, objective, but also there would be questions where you will have to type maybe 1 or 2 words, okay, where you will have to write 1 or 2 words. So telling you that MCQs are coming does not mean you will stop learning the long answers, because I can frame my question from the long answers as well. All right, children. So you should not leave any chapter untouched. All chapters should be read at least 3 times. Go through the chapter 3 times. Go through the meanings 3 times. If you don't understand a word, go through your dictionary. Okay, read the word again, look up your dictionary, find out the meaning, and then read the chapter at least 3 times. I'm telling this for literature. And for grammar is random practice. You will have to practice a lot, just like maths, okay, because in grammar there is nothing called, okay, partly it is right, so I'll give you half mark. No, if it is wrong, it is wrong. If it is right, you get the full mark. All right, so do well, study hard, take care of yourself, look after your family members, help out in the household chores, yes, and reduce on the screen time, in the sense already you are on the digital platform most of the time, so your eyes are getting exposed, yes, to a lot of ultraviolet rays, okay, so, and radiation, isn't it? So you must check on using your phones, okay, do not use your tablets or phones too much. Why? Because you're already sitting in front of the laptop, you're sitting in front of your tablet, your desktop, your phone most of the time to attend the classes. So when you're not, try to see a lot of greeneries. Go to the rooftop, go to the terrace. If you don't have a terrace, if you're standing in the balcony, just look outside wherever you can see trees, early in the morning, especially after waking up. If you do that, it is very, very good for your eyes. Yes, and drink a lot of water in the morning. Yes, breathe in and breathe out, okay, to release your stress, your anxiety, okay. If you're feeling restless, practice breathing in and out at least for 3 minutes, okay, 3 minutes in a day. Yes, it sounds 3 into 60, that is quite a lot, 180 seconds. But then try to practice, even if not 3 minutes, 2 minutes, okay. You can just sit in one silent corner of your room and practice breathing in and breathing out. In the long run, it will be very, very good and beneficial for you. Alright, so once again, bye. See you tomorrow. Please be present. Do not miss your classes, and tell your friends also not to miss your classes. Once again, who have not emailed me their homework, kindly email me the homework what I have given till date. Bye-bye. Take care.